Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to file a claim with FedEx, right? And I will also show you that how do I file a claim with FedEx in a very easy manner. So first of all, just go to Google and here you have to write FedEx, right? And you will get here the link of this official website. Once you're here in the website, you have to log in into their website, right? So I've already logged in. Once you have logged in, and on the top right, you will basically on the top middle, you will find a lot of options. Go to the support, and here you will find a file a claim. Once you're here, it will ask you again to log in. Now just click on login. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now, once you have logged in into your account, you will be able to file a claim for US domestic shipments, import and export, and shipment from Canada to US. Go to the file claim tab. Basically, let me show you support and file a claim. Once you click here, they will ask you to log in, and basically you have to log in once again. And from here, you have to enter your tracking or PRO number. Select your claim type, fill out the form. Now your claim need to be including supporting documents. Let me show you what kind of documents you will need. Here you can see a scan of your FedEx, USA bill, FedEx ship manager printouts, photos of the package and damaged content, and serial number of damaged or lost merchandise. And once you have all these documents, right, and after that, submit your online claim form. After that, you can just easily track it from here. Same way, you have to go to the support, click on file a claim, and already file a claim, click for check the status, and basically you have to enter your number and then you will get a status that where it is, right? And it will, and once the solution is got, then you can just leave a feedback here. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.